Hello everyone, I'm Shannon, a staff writer for Finder. With the many headlines Robinhood has made in the past, from service outages to the outright suspension of certain popular meme stocks, we put together a list of the 3 best trading platform alternatives if you're looking to jump ship. Let's dive in. Sofi is one of our top picks for Robinhood alternatives, and here's why. It offers a lot of the same things that Robinhood does, and it caters specifically to the beginner investor. Like Robinhood, it doesn't charge commissions, it has a sleek mobile app, and it offers access to stocks, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. Plus, Sofi has automated investing options, and its robo-advisor is free. A free robo-advisor is pretty rare. Most platforms charge an advisory fee of 0.25 to 0.35% for the account balance. So basically, if you're tired of trying to keep up with the market news or figure out which stocks you can trade, you can park your investments with a robo-advisor and let it do the work for you. For free if you go with Sofi. Now, it is worth noting that Sofi does not offer access to bonds, mutual funds, derivatives, or Forex. So, if you're interested in any of these securities, you will need to look elsewhere. Like Robinhood, Public offers access to commission-free stocks, ETFs, and fractional shares. And like Robinhood, Public is suitable for new investors, thanks to its user-friendly interface and its easy-to-navigate mobile app. Stocks are organized by theme, which makes for easy exploring if you're a thematic investor. But here's why we really like Public. Its social investing feature. Through this feature, investors can follow and learn from more experienced traders by exploring their portfolio holdings, discussing trends, swapping strategies, and participating in group message threads with other Public traders. It's basically a social networking app blended with an investment platform. Now, before you jump ship to Public, be aware that its security lineup is quite limited. You can only trade stocks and ETFs. Plus, the platform currently doesn't have a desktop app, and its research tools are a far cry from those of a more sophisticated platform like TD Ameritrade. Last but not least, we want to talk about Webull. Webull is one of Robinhood's better equipped competitors, offering commission-free trades, powerful desktop and mobile apps, even a free paper trading account that lets you simulate hypothetical online trades without risking any actual money. But what really separates Webull from Robinhood are its research tools. Robinhood's charting tools are rudimentary at best. It only has 5 technical indicators to choose from. Webull, on the other hand, has 38 indicators, 8 different line styles, and 14 drawing styles available. The major drawback to Webull is, you guessed it, its limited security lineup. You can trade stocks, ETFs, and options, and that's it. So, if you are looking to invest in bonds, mutual funds, derivatives, Forex, or crypto, you will need to look elsewhere. You know what? Just for good measure, I'm going to throw one more platform suggestion your way. TD Ameritrade. Now, full disclosure, TD Ameritrade isn't quite as beginner-friendly as the other platforms that I've mentioned, but it offers a huge lineup of tradable securities, as in you can literally trade just about anything on the market except for cryptocurrency. And based on what we've seen on its website, it's actually in the process of opening crypto for trade in the near future. TD Ameritrade has commission-free trading, 24/7 customer support, and some of the most sophisticated research tools on the market. So, if you're an intermediate to advanced trader, or you're just looking for a platform with room to grow, consider TD Ameritrade. You can read more about Robinhood and its potential alternatives on Finder.com. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you'll know when new Finder videos drop. Thanks for watching and happy trading.